Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are doing well. Children, today we are going to read poem 2, A Nation's Strength from our English reader. First of all, I would like to give a brief description of the poet of this beautiful poem. This poem is composed by Ralph Waldo Emerson. He was an American poet, lecturer, and philosopher. This poem is full of patriotism and shows poet's great love for his country. In this poem, the poet is trying to explain that the actual strength of a nation are its people. If the people have sound value system, that is, they are truthful, respectful, and hardworking, the nation is bound to prosper. The poet also talks about how the hardworking people of a country make it strong and not just wealth and riches. Let's start with the reading of first stanza. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong, men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Children, in the first stanza, the poet explains that the real strength of a nation is not gold, jewels, or valuables, but its people. The citizens of a country play an important role in making that country strong and great. The strength of a country actually depends upon the high values and principles inherited by its people. A nation is built strong only when its people take pain for their country's progress, honor, and pride. A country can never progress and become strong if the people keep on fighting in the name of religion, caste, and creed. Here we take the example from our own country. Our national leaders and freedom fighters like father of our nation Mahatma Gandhi, Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh, and our favorite Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose played a significant role in making our country free from the clutches of British Empire and enabled us to establish as a strong and powerful democracy in the world. The second stanza is, brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly, they build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. In the second stanza, children, the poet tells us the strength of a nation lies in the hands of brave people who work hard day and night for the prosperity and development of their nation. Here, nation's pillars means high values and principles adopted by these people who work tirelessly to make their country's foundation strong and never fly away from their responsibilities. If we talk about our own country, these brave people are the real heroes, our soldiers, the scientists and astronauts who did remarkable work in the field of science and technology and always held India's head high. And how can we forget the contribution of our farmers, entrepreneurs, doctors, and sportspersons who have always made our country feel proud? Now, it is quite clear from the above examples that a country may be small or big in size, but its real strength are its people who work hard continuously to make their country progress and prosper in every field of life. Hope I am able to explain this poem. That's all for today from my side. Thank you and happy learning to all.